Okay, we're going to make a toffee cake. Okay, you'll need 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 3 cups granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of kosher salt, 3 sticks of salted butter, 1/3 cup of instant coffee granulars, 1 1/2 cup of boiling water, 3/4 cup of buttermilk, 3 large eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Okay, you'll need for the cake, prepare the oven at 350. Coat 3 8-inch round cake pans with cooking spray and dust with flour. Line the bottom of each pan with a round of parchment paper. Whisk the granulated sugar, flour, baking powder, baking soda, salt in a large bowl. Set aside. Okay? Then you'll need to melt the butter in a small saucepan over medium-low heat. Meanwhile, combine the instant coffee and the 1/2 cup, 1 1/2 cups of boiling water in a medium bowl and stir to dissolve. Once the butter has melted, add the coffee mixture to the saucepan. Let it come to a boil for 10 seconds, then remove from heat and set aside. In a separate bowl, whisk the buttermilk, eggs, and vanilla until well mixed. Pour the batter coffee mixture into the flour mixture and stir gently. Add the buttermilk, egg mixture and stir gently until well combined. Divide the batter amongst 3 prepared pans. Bake until toothpick inserted into the center comes out almost clean. 23 to 25 minutes. Allow the cakes to cool for 15 minutes in the pan on a rack. Then remove the cakes from the pan. Remove the parchment and let it cool on the rack. Okay? And we'll be back with you, show you what else to do. I've got to finish stirring this up, and I'll be right back with you. We're fixing to make the icing. We got 2 sticks of softened butter, 1 cup of powdered sugar, 1/4 cup of instant coffee granulars, and then we're going to put 3/4 cup of milk. 3/4 cup of milk. And that's it. We got melted chocolate and caramel. And you can put that in as a Heath bar or just do like I did. Chocolate and caramel. Melt it in the microwave to it. Makes a liquid. Make sure you scrape down the sides. Well, guess what? Goddamn video kicked off. No, it didn't. Okay, let's scrape down the sides before we do it again. Let's spread some icing on the cake. In the middle. Don't go too far to the sides where it'll run up everywhere. Okay, we got the second layer on there. Now put this in the refrigerator 30 minutes before you cut into it. That way it gives the icing time to set up, or maybe an hour. Okay, let's put the third layer on it. Okay. I didn't level it out. I don't care. I'm just trying to hurry up and get it done. Y'all can level y'all's out if you want to. My oven never does get a cake where I can bake it level. Never does. And we just the legs on it and everything. It still don't work. It's the floor here, I think. This is the New Year's Eve cake. Now, like I said, when you get it all icing, put it in the refrigerator. Let it set up before you cut into it. But you can use heavy whipping cream too for the milk if you got it. Now, if you have caramel, you can pour caramel over top of it too. If you have some melted caramel. I hope y'all enjoy this cake. Toffee coffee cake. Okay, it's all decorated. Now let's see if I can get rest of it on top of it. And I thank y'all for watching this video. This is the last cake of 2023. I hope y'all make this. And then after it sets up, you can pour chocolate over it too if you want it to. Melted chocolate. And let it sit up. Yeah. That'd be good too. Just pour it over top of it and let it run. There it is. Thanks for watching. This is Tanya's Home Cooking on YouTube. Happy New Year's. Bye.